Hey everybody, it's Michael's blog. So today I actually went outside today. I changed my mind, but I definitely picked the wrong time to go out because when I went outside, it was brutally windy. I mean, it died down just a little bit just as I got home, but like after like 5 minutes of being out there, I was like, I just want to get back home. I don't want to be out this any longer. It was just, I felt like I was walking through a hurricane. It was that bad. Just wow. But I mean, the sun came out as I was walking home, so I wasn't like, I don't know. I was upset, but I wasn't that upset because the sun came out. So, but that's just how part of my day went. I just went out to go get my afternoon coffee. But I was definitely happy that I made it back home safe. Definitely happy. I've I'm still trying to come up with some ideas for next week's videos. If I come up with some ideas for on Saturday, I'll upload some more videos. Um, I know I may not be the most entertaining person, or but I'm certainly trying to make an effort on making my content a little bit more respectable. I mean, other than, me acting like a goofball sometimes and just like dancing, singing around, just like whatever, that's not gonna be this type of blog, this type of content. It's just gonna be me blogging about how my day went. And just stuff that I'm interested in, and maybe stuff that I would like to cover, like or blog about, and stuff like that. That's whatever content I would like to make. Is that's what it's gonna be. Um, so anyway, I hope you've been enjoying my content, and we'll see you all soon.